Pluto, the largest dwarf planet in the solar system, has surprised us once again. According to planetary scientists at the University of Arizona, an entirely new type of cosmic collision can explain the formation of Pluto and its big moon Charon, the kiss and capture. This is an artist's concept of how the system of Earth and its moon was formed. 4.5 billion years ago, the Mars-sized planet Theia collided with ancient Earth. The moon was formed from the debris of this crash. The Pluto-Charon system was thought to be formed by a similar process of fluid-like bodies. This is a comparison of Pluto with planet Earth and its moon. Pluto and Charon have a much lower density and are made primarily of rock and ice that has a different structural integrity. Using impact simulations with a high-performance computer cluster, the scientists found the new kiss and capture formation mechanism. Pluto and the Proto-Charon were temporarily glued together like a snowman-shaped object. They remained mostly intact during their collision, without much change of their original composition. Pluto and Charon then separated into the binary system that we know today. The advantage of the new kiss and capture model is that it puts Charon in the correct orbit at 19,600 kilometers. The tidal friction as the bodies separated built up significant internal heat in both bodies. It could be enough for Pluto to develop a subsurface ocean. With about half of Pluto's size, Charon is a very big moon. Charon and Pluto orbit each other every 6.4 days. They are gravitationally locked to one another and always show the same side towards each other. This image taken by the Hubble Space Telescope shows Pluto and his 5 moons, Charon, Styx, Nix, Kerberos and Hydra. Follow-up studies will explore how tidal forces influence Pluto and Charon's early evolution. And they will investigate how this formation scenario affects Pluto's geological features, and if other binary systems were also formed by the kiss and capture mechanism. This is a beautiful view of Pluto's icy mountains and flat nitrogen ice plains, imaged by the New Horizons spacecraft near its closest approach to Pluto. Different layers of haze in Pluto's atmosphere are backlit by the sun. In this artist's rendering, Pluto's largest moon Charon rises over the dark south pole surface of Pluto, reflecting the sun's light across the planetary landscape. Pluto and Charon have many more secrets waiting to be discovered by future missions. You can check out the links to the scientific articles in the description field, and you can check out my other videos from the Astronomy series. Thank you for watching.